This is Reporters Project, where CNN News 18 reporters have fanned out across Delhi to record your stories. The AAP government's laser-sharp focus on Delhi's government schools has created a sea change in the way these schools function as well as how they are perceived. Education has consistently been allotted the highest or biggest share of the state budget in the last 5 years, and the party's leadership has not shied away from asking school students to ask their parents to vote AAP come election time. So will this investment in good schooling reap the party electoral dividends? Zeba Varsi reports that the students definitely think so.
It's a happy Zumba morning for students at the School of Excellence in Khichadipur in East Delhi. 14-year-old Manjusha Jha loves to dance, and she can't think of a better start to the day.
Early morning in assembly we started doing that Zumba, so it is the best thing what we feel. So we got a chance to express ourselves. We just dance for 10 minutes, but it burns 100 to 200 calories.
From April we started this. Every day we practiced it, and in the assembly every day we do Zumba actually.
Vanchita Pawar used to study in a posh private school in Mayur Vihar until class 8, but her parents made her switch to this school, one of the 6 model schools built by the Aam Aadmi Party government. Her initial reservations are now a distant memory.
At the beginning, I hesitated a little because my father told me that this is School of Excellence, I never imagined that this is a government school. Earlier in private schools, I didn't know about myself much. But after becoming a part of this school, I can know about me more.
The main difference I see in the private and the government is this. First of all, the fees. In my previous school, even if we are not using the chemistry labs, they will also charge for them.
This is a massive school complex with multiple playgrounds, swanky smart classrooms, even a swimming pool today, with a strength of over 6,000 students studying in 2 different shifts. But there was a time when this used to look a lot different. All of this used to be a pile of mud. There were broken walls. There was also a time when students had to sit down on the floor in classrooms. Today, this school in West Vinod Nagar is one of the biggest transformation stories of Delhi government education.
Nishi Dikshit and her 3 sisters are students of Rajkiya Sarvodaya Vidyalaya. They have witnessed the transformation that's taken place since the Aam Aadmi Party government came to power. Their parents can only afford government schools, and in the last 5 years, they have realized that that is no longer a bad thing.
When I came in the school at that time, I was in 8th class, and that time every situation was very bad. Means facilities was not there, and that time we used to sit on the carpet. Teacher used to come late in the class. So when it was my first day in this school, I was thinking that this school is very bad, I will not be able to study here. But suddenly a change came. I came in 9th class, and that time everything changed very fast. Like that time dress also changed and school started developing.
Now they access smart classes with audio-visual learning, extracurricular clubs and sports activities for free.
मेरे इस स्कूल के बारे में पूछा जाए तो अभी के पहले के मुकाबले अभी बहुत बेहतर है. इसमें बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं. स्पोर्ट्स को बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है. पढ़ाई को लेकर भी बहुत ध्यान दिया जा रहा है.
Before 2016, this school was very bad in condition. यहाँ पे पूरा मिट्टी हुआ करता था और यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी बिल्डिंग नहीं होती थी, और अब यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी बिल्डिंग हो गई है, और अब हमारे स्कूल में स्विमिंग पूल भी बन चुका है. ये बहुत खुशी की बात है, क्योंकि हर दिल्ली के सरकारी स्कूल में वो स्विमिंग पूल होना मैंने बिल्कुल सोचा नहीं था मैंने कि स्विमिंग पूल बन जाएगा.
The Kejriwal government has managed to build 30 of the 500 new schools it had targeted. It cites the lack of land clearance from the central government as the reason for falling short. But it has managed to add 8,000 more classrooms to the existing schools. The next goal is to add another 30 schools and add 12,000 more classrooms.
My previous school took about 25,000 every 3 months for my fees, and here I don't have any fees. But my private school never had such facilities, like we have a lawn, we have smart classes that are fully functional, we have a connected classroom, we have teachers that are so much interactive and supportive. So private school don't have that quality of education even at such high money.
At 94.24%, Delhi has a better pass percentage than private schools at the Class 12 level board exams in 2019. Students of Class 11 who scored above 80% in their Class 10 board exams have now been given a tablet by the government.
We get everything which is required in a student's life for a better learning experience. We have digital learning, we have field projects, and the infrastructure is wonderful over here, facilities, faculties, atmosphere, everything is very good. We don't have to pay anything for that. Even we get an amount in our account every season change for the uniform, for the books, everything we get it in our account. The money is paid by the government.
The improvement in school results have happened because of schemes like Bunyad that held extra classes in the summer vacations for students who needed help. 13-year-old Keshav Sehgal says that those extra lessons have helped him with English, Hindi and math.
हमें थोड़ी मुश्किल होती थी कि हम हिंदी ढंग से नहीं पढ़ पाते थे, इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ पाते थे, मैथ के सम्स नहीं कर पाते थे और इस वजह से हम थोड़े कम नंबर आते थे हमारे। तो जब सरकार ने मिशन बुनियाद चलाया तो हमने उसमें पार्टिसिपेट लिया। हमने पार्टिसिपेट लेके उसमें हिंदी पढ़ी और इंग्लिश पढ़ी और मैथ के सम्स करे, जैसे डिवाइड, प्लस, माइनस, मल्टीप्लाई पढ़े। तो हम धीरे धीरे करके हम पे थोड़ा बदलाव आया कि हम थोड़े अच्छी तरह हिंदी पढ़ने लग गए और इंग्लिश और सम्स तो बहुत अच्छी तरह करते हैं।
The Delhi government schools are also helping their students gear up for life after school. They have regular visits from the Skill India team, workshops by entrepreneurs, and a new subject on entrepreneurial skills.
It asks us to do not to be a job seeker, create your own business. And yes, in today's generation, there is a need of business.
I think entrepreneurship is a good activity. Means entrepreneurship is very good thing to increase our mind. By this, we also think that we can create our own business.
The students have even welcomed the CCTV cameras that the government has installed in schools, a decision which has evoked mixed reactions.
So I don't feel like CCTV camera has done anything wrong. Basically, it is a good initiative. It is a good initiative because my parents should also see whether I'm studying in the school or not. My parents should have access to the. I guess my parents should have access to the CCTV cameras.
It's a necessary evil we can consider. CCTV cameras on a larger picture, they have been beneficial for ensuring security in the school. We have been disciplined throughout because of the teachers having check on us.
In August 2018, the government introduced a happiness curriculum for students from nursery to class 8. 2 classes a week teach students meditation and techniques to improve their cognitive abilities. Widely publicized, this is being taught in around 1,000 Delhi government schools.
Every morning we have happiness. Happiness is a practice which makes you a balanced person like these stones, and you keep on blooming like these happy flowers. In this period, we do so many things to remain happy all day long. On Monday and Thursday, we do mindfulness, which includes mindful listening, mindful seeing, mindful body stretching, and many more activities.
In the early morning, they used to tell us our story, and we get new morals which we bring in our life. And we also do meditation in happiness, which make me and my class feel relaxed and makes us feel confident about many things, and we can easily focus on our studies.
Given the radical difference the Aam Aadmi Party government has made to Delhi government schools, It's no surprise that many of the students are full of praise for the party and its leaders. A connect that the party hopes will bear fruit when their parents get to the ballot box.
My father really appreciates the surgical strike and the center initiatives that they've taken. But in state, they want Aam Aadmi Party. Education system has really improved. I have seen the government schools before. They are very, very untidy, unhygienic. But now it's all clean. The environment is safe. That's why my parents support Aam Aadmi Party in the state.
My parents basically a BJP supporter, but as of now the Aam Aadmi Party has done a lot of work, and that my parents is now fascinated by this school basically, and they were now supporting Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi because they feel like Aam Aadmi Party is promoting education, and education is a very most important and very most need as of now.
This is our classroom library. We are fond of it. We take book of our choice from here and read them. This book is source of knowledge. Reading this book gives immense pleasure.
Delhi's government schools and the high quality education that they provide are one of the biggest successes of the AAP government, and it should help the AAP in the upcoming elections. I'm Anuradha Sengupta on behalf of everyone working on this show. Thank you very much for watching.